Hi there, Chris Fox here. Some of you have blatantly asked me where did the VHA's equipment go to from your YouTube channel. Well, it's on their new channel. The restoration work of Edmundston, 6133, 6215, 6110, and all the other equipment is still ongoing. So hop on over to the VHA's YouTube channel or check out their website at viahistory.ca. Also, don't forget to stay tuned into my channel. I get up to a lot of antics, and I mean a lot of them. So there'll be lots more trains and equipment to check out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned in.